Hi, I'm Alex with Trade Show Internet. Today, we'll review the easy 2-minute setup process of our 5G football. When you receive your rental package, open the box. Remove the case. And set aside the box to reuse for your return shipment. Find an open, unobstructed location to set up your kit. A shelf or tabletop will work great. Just don't put it inside a metal cabinet or next to any large metal objects that could interfere with a wireless signal. Open the case by unlocking 2 latches, one on each side of the handle. Inside, you will find a return shipping label. You can attach it to the shipping box now so it doesn't go missing later. A quick start guide, a quality control card that will let you know the last time we tested your equipment, and a paper clip. Most importantly, you will find our TVU router with the attached MikroTik router, Wi-Fi access point, power and Ethernet cables. Position the antennas on the TVU router so that they're all pointing up. Pull out the power cord and plug in the power into any standard 110 volt 3 amp electrical outlet. Press the power button on the TVU router. The button will turn solid blue. Wait about 1 minute for the SIM 1, 2 and 3 lights to turn either solid or flashing blue, indicating internet connectivity. There are 2 ways to connect to the kit's network. If you plan to connect via Wi-Fi, open your device's Wi-Fi utility. Select the network name printed on the quick start guide and type in the password. If you plan to stream video, the best practice is to hardwire your laptop, TriCaster or other streaming device to the router. You can use the Ethernet cables included with your kit, or use your own compatible Cat5 or Cat6 network cables to connect your device to any of the 3 yellow LAN ports on the MikroTik router. The router will recognize each hardwired device and issue it a dynamic IP address. If you experience slow speeds, less than 10 megabits per second, or have any other support issues, please call us at 866-385-1504, option number 3. Our support team has remote access to our routers and will be able to make configuration changes to optimize your experience. Good luck with your event, and please continue watching to see the striking process. To return your rental equipment, press the power button on the TVU router until the lights on the router will turn off. Unplug the router from the electrical outlet. Place the network cables, power adapter, and the quick start guide back into the case. Close and lock the latches. Put the case back into your cardboard shipping box. Attach the return shipping label on top and then close and seal the box. And now it's ready to ship. You can drop off the box at any FedEx retail location. Many hotels and convention centers have a FedEx store on property. Otherwise, you can call FedEx at 800-463-3339 to schedule a FedEx ground pickup from your home or office. We recommend you don't leave the package at your hotel's front desk or with any other third party, since many returns have been delayed or lost this way. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and contact us if you have any internet or Wi-Fi needs for your next event.